Namaskar friends, welcome to KBG YouTube channel. Subscribe this channel to learn astronomy. This is an incident when I was new to astronomy, or rather astronomy was new to me. When we say astronomy, the first thing that comes to mind is telescope. So I went to purchase telescope. The shopkeeper asked me the purpose of buying telescope, whether it was for watching moon, planets, or for watching DSO. Not knowing what is DSO, I backtracked empty-handed. I searched the books and learned what is DSO. In this video, I will tell you what is DSO so that you can buy your first telescope confidently. DSO is acronym for Deep Sky Objects. As the name suggests, these are objects which are very far away in the sky. Sun, moon, planets are solar system objects which are nearer to us. The term shallow sky is used for these objects. DSO are faint objects which are not visible to naked eye. You need binoculars or telescope to watch these objects. Some of the brighter objects can be seen using binoculars. For others, you will need telescope with large objectives which have good light gathering capacity. One needs dark skies to observe these faint objects. So even with telescope, you cannot watch these from urban light polluted areas. You need to travel away from urban area to remote dark areas. Deep sky objects include star clusters, nebula and galaxies. Star clusters are large groups of stars and are classified as globular clusters and open clusters. Globular clusters are tight group of many stars which are gravitationally bound to each other. M92 is a globular cluster in Hercules constellation. It is 26,700 light years away from us. Open clusters are loosely bound groups of stars. These open clusters get disrupted over time but generally move in same direction through the space. Being loosely bound, they are also called stellar association. M45, known as Pleiades in Taurus constellation, is an open cluster. It is one of the nearest cluster at a distance of 444 light years. Pleiades contains hot blue luminous stars and is visible to the naked eye. Nebula. Nebula is a cloud of dust and gases. Nebulas are visible due to glow of gases. Its visibility is also due to starlight reflected or obstructed by the clouds. Nebulas are classified as emission nebula and absorption nebula. Nebulas are hundreds of light years in diameter. M42, Orion Nebula in Orion constellation, is brightest nebula visible to naked eye. It is 1344 light years away. M1 Khagol Nebula in Taurus constellation is 6,500 light years away. Pillars of Creation is a famous photograph taken by Hubble Space Telescope of M16 Eagle Nebula. Normally, stars are formed in nebulas. Gas, dust and other material form dense region which eventually becomes star. Many stars, star remains, gases, dust, when gravitationally bound, form galaxy. Galaxies are classified according to its shape. These are elliptical galaxy, spiral galaxy, lenticular galaxy and irregular galaxy. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. It is named so because of its milky looks due to millions of stars. It is a spiral galaxy. NGC 4414 in Cona Berenice constellation is also a spiral galaxy. This galaxy is 55,000 light years in diameter and is 60 million light years away from Earth. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon so that you will get notifications. Thank you.